Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to embed Google Calendar into Notion dashboard. So all you got to do is head over to Notion Calendar on the side panel, on your left side panel. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Add Calendar Account inside my Notion Calendar. And I can integrate Google Calendar with Notion so I can see my scheduled meetings, work, etc. So go ahead and connect Google Calendar. Continue to Google Permissions and select your account if you have more than one account. And hit Continue. And give permission to Notion Calendar. Hit Continue. Now you're solid. All your dates will show up here. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.